Welcome, Ospreys. We are excited to have you on campus and want to take this opportunity to share with you what you can expect for the fall semester. We've been preparing the campus to meet state guidelines to provide a safe living and learning environment. Keeping our campus safe and healthy is up to all of us. You will receive a health pledge via your Stockton email, which you should complete every day. If you are feeling sick or experiencing symptoms of COVID-19, please contact Student Health Services before visiting the office. COVID-19 spreads mainly from person to person through respiratory droplets produced when a person infected with COVID-19 coughs, sneezes, talks, or raises their voice. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, please follow these health and safety guidelines. Mask up. All students, faculty, and guests are required to wear a face covering over their mouth and nose when inside any university building. Back up. Maintain at least a 6-foot distance from others when walking through campus, waiting in line, or sitting in class. There is signage throughout all campus buildings to remind you of physical distancing expectations. WASHUP. Washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds is one of the easiest ways to prevent the spread of germs and keep yourself safe. You should wash your hands or use hand sanitizer after touching things in public places, after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing, before you touch your eyes, nose, or mouth, after handling your face covering. If you have any concerns about meeting COVID-19 related requirements, the Learning Access Program is available via phone or email. Staff will document your concern and discuss an accommodation. You can pick up a disposable mask at these campus locations. Hand sanitizing stations will be available in hallways outside of classrooms. Signage will be placed in classrooms to remind everyone to practice physical distancing and to indicate updated room occupancy limits. You should wipe down your area before and after class with provided sanitizing wipes. All students must wear masks while in the classroom. Seats will be spaced apart and floor markers are in place to indicate seating. Plexiglass will be placed in science labs to separate work areas. Dining services will primarily serve grab-and-go options at this time. There will be limited indoor dining. Don't forget to register your car for your virtual parking permit. Galloway and Atlantic City shuttles will operate with reduced capacity and physical distancing. Masks are required for all riders. The Office of Residential Life is closely following state and institutional guidance. Students are required to wear masks while in the residential facilities, except while in their assigned room or taking a shower and brushing teeth. To reduce the risk of spread, students are not permitted to have any guests in the residential facilities. A guest is defined as anyone who does not live in the assigned room. Students who are identified as hosting guests will face disciplinary action. Students who choose to host or attend large group gatherings place the entire university community in danger. Therefore, students who host or attend large gatherings in their on-campus or off-campus residences will face severe and immediate disciplinary action. There are more than 200 ways to get involved at Stockton. Student clubs and organizations will host virtual and hybrid events this semester. Small in-person events that follow physical distancing and health guidelines may be allowed. Be sure to check Osprey Hub for the most up-to-date event and club information. Visit the FAQ section on Stockton's Fall 2020 page for a list of activities you can enjoy on our scenic and secluded campuses. Athletics and recreation are closely following guidelines set by the NCAA, New Jersey Department of Health, and the CDC. For the fall semester, all NCAA club and intramural competitions are canceled. NCAA teams may practice during the fall. Club sport practices will be addressed on a sport-by-sport basis, and intramurals will be offering non-contact events that maintain physical distancing. All indoor facilities are closed for now. Most outdoor athletic facilities are available on a normal schedule. Users are expected to follow all state guidelines for group size, physical distancing, and face coverings. For up-to-date information, visit the athletics website. Many student affairs offices are hosting virtual appointments. For office hours, contact information, and scheduling, search for the department on stockton.edu. Student workers are required to wear masks. Student staff should not report to work if they are feeling sick and must notify their supervisor. Student staff must clean and disinfect their workspaces and equipment before and after their shifts and should not leave personal belongings in the office between shifts. Student staff should not share uniforms. If you encounter someone who is not meeting physical distancing or face covering guidelines, be polite and remind them and avoid being rude or confrontational. Remember, not all disabilities are visible. If you encounter a person who refuses to wear a mask, remove yourself from their proximity. All members of the campus community must follow the directions outlined in the Fall 2020 Restart Plan. Student violations should be reported to the Office of Student Affairs using the incident report form on the Care and Community Standards website. Soar safely, Ospreys. Mask up, back up, wash up. Together, we can have a safe and productive fall semester if we all do our part. For more information and updates, please visit stockton.edu/fall2020.